I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No.
Good morning and welcome to this day of my life in Italy. I'm in Italy to see family and hang out with them, and so that is what I'm doing here. So I'm just taking it easy and enjoying my time. It's the first time I've really gotten to travel since COVID, and I hope that that becomes more of a reality for a lot of you out there. I feel very fortunate and lucky that I'm able to do this. Today is going to be a pretty chill day. I am off of work, so I'm off of my job as a software engineer, but I am going to do some YouTube stuff, so it's going to be sort of a work day in my life as a YouTuber in Italy. I'm just going to pop on my computer now and just do a little bit of work in the morning. It's like very late at night in US time. It's about 3 a.m., but they're just things I want to finish out before tomorrow morning, which include just responding to a couple of emails that got sent to me when I was asleep. So time zone change, so I'm going to do that, and then probably go hang out with my mom and just go into town with her and see what's up over there. So let's get to it.
Yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes.
Good morning.
The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now.
Okay, I just came outside to read a little bit in the morning since it's a beautiful morning. We are literally in the clouds this morning, which is so dang cool. But I did want to say thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. It's really, really cool. If you didn't know, I started this channel in quarantine just to have something to do because I was pretty bored. I had just graduated from college. I didn't have a job yet, so I was kind of languishing, as they put it, but I had always watched YouTube my whole life, so I decided to make my own videos, and now there are 10,000 of you watching my videos, which is really mind-boggling, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have supported me, especially those of you who have supported me from day one. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. As you know, on this channel, I love reading, I love books. I literally came outside here to read. It's just something I really value, and I think a lot of people get value from as well. So to celebrate my 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 5 gift cards, each for $10 to thriftbooks.com. The reason I chose Thrift Books is because I love their mission. They have a huge inventory of secondhand books, and I just think it's great to be able to be a bit more sustainable in your reading by reading secondhand, so I love that. And also, I know that $10 is not too much money, but on Thrift Books you can actually buy a fair amount of things for under $10, so I think that it will be a good fit and a good use of money. So in order to enter the giveaway, this is totally run by me, this is coming from my money, so I've set up the rules, which are just subscribe to my channel if you aren't, like this video, comment your Instagram handle and favorite book you've read recently, and follow me on Instagram. And then I will randomly choose 5 winners, and I will DM those 5 winners on Instagram and post them on my story as well, so just keep an eye out for that. And the giveaway will close a week from when I post this video, so I'll put the exact time that is on the screen here so you know to put your comments in and follow me on Instagram and all the other stuff. So it's super simple. Just want to say thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate it. So now I'm just going to read my book, enjoy the morning, and then I will start being a little more productive than that.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way.
Okay, so it's the morning and my mom and I are just gonna go into town for a little bit. When I say town, I really mean one single square. It is a very small village we're staying in, and we're gonna go to the one store and get some food because we ran out of olive oil, as well as just sit and have something to drink, like a morning coffee. So yeah, that'll be nice, and maybe we'll walk around a little bit. It's a really relaxing start to the morning. I woke up pretty late, so yeah, let's do that.
How late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's
Excellento.
Excellento.
We're just walking around, had some coffee, and now my mom is gonna show me something worth seeing. So, yeah, we'll see what it is.
Can find beauty in the not too but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're empty.
Okay, so we just got back from outside. I'm gonna go make some lunch. I'm gonna make pasta with olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, like really, really simple. I believe they actually here call it pasta for the peasants because it's so simple. I learned that from somebody else's vlog and I think it's funny. So yeah, I'm gonna make that for myself for lunch and just eat it and relax. But then I do have to do some work stuff in the afternoon, so we will get to that when we get to that.
And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go outside and do some work stuff. I have to import some clips from my camera and just organize everything so that I can get it together for a bunch of videos that I'm filming. I'm pretty disorganized when it comes to all the camera stuff, the memory cards, everything like that, putting all the videos together. And I do need to check my email to see if a brand has approved a video I sent over yet or if I need changes. So just a bunch of computer stuff that I'm gonna do, but since it's a nice day, I can stay outside and do it, so that will be super nice. And yeah, get to enjoy the view a little bit. So, well, let's get to it. It is a beautiful day today. I just finished up editing my video. It took me a lot longer than I thought it would, but it totally makes sense, and I'm glad that I got it out of the way. So I'm just exporting it now, and then I'm going to send it over to the brand for approval. And then I have a couple of emails I do need to respond to, both from my actual work. I know that I'm technically off, but I think it's just nice of me to respond to things that are a little time sensitive even though I'm out. And then also some emails from YouTube, people asking me to speak at their schools, which I'm always a fan of, and you can always reach out for something like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit outside though for a little bit and eat my bread, and then hopefully when I go back in, my video will have exported. Okay, I just realized with the internet here, it's going to take me so much longer to upload my YouTube video than it normally does. So I'm working on that now. It's in the process. Yes, rural Italy internet is a little slower than New York City. But yeah, I think I'm just going to chill out, maybe read my book for a little bit, and just enjoy the sun since it's been raining a lot this week. Y'all, I'm gonna get ready for the day while I tell you about my of the morning. I was going into my computer to start editing a video that is due in a couple of days, and I had pre-filmed it all. I just hadn't edited and put it together. Wow. I'm learning that I cannot multitask like this. I do not know how vloggers do it, so give me one sec. Anyway, so I was going in to edit a video and I realized that I literally had deleted by accident all of my files for this particular video, which was a nightmare. I just was like, oh my god, I did not want to film this video again. It was quite difficult to film, so I did not know what to do. I actually downloaded 2 programs in the hopes of recovering some of the files from my Mac, from the trash. I was that desperate. I know you're not supposed to download stuff like that, but I was like, please, someone save me. So of course they scanned my computer, then did not work, clearly, because I put them in trash and I had clicked permanently deleted. Since they were videos, I had actually had them on an SD card to begin with, and I had transferred them over to my computer. And through my digging, I found this Quora page. Quora coming to the rescue. Quora is so clutch. And it had like these detailed step-by-step terminal. Well, it wasn't even detailed. I definitely had to use my knowledge of computer science and navigating the terminal. It was just some random commands that you run. But anyway, I went into the actual SD card itself, and I realized that when you delete files off of an SD card, it actually saves backups within the SD card. Like, it doesn't completely delete the files. So I was able to access this secret subfolder on my SD card with all of the videos I've ever taken on that SD card, and they were in perfect condition. And I don't really understand how that's possible, because doesn't the SD card run out of space? How is it saving all of those files that I've ever taken? But it was so clutch because I found all of the videos from the video that I was wanting to edit, and right now I am just transferring them to my laptop, and I created a new folder for it. I'm gonna keep it there. So I guess this is a PSA. If you ever accidentally delete files and they were on an SD card or a flash drive originally, or some external drive, you can probably recover them if they're still on the SD card, and I'll just write a little link to the Quora page where I found that information. But yeah, so that is awesome.
For a few months in my hometown, 'cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. Got a lot of low days, but I'm up now. Keep your head on straight, don't slow down, 'cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year. Now I'm in a rush 'cause I'm 19, but I don't give a.
Okay, so it's almost midnight here, but I do have a commitment. I teach a coding class to elementary school girls, so I'm gonna teach that. It's at 6 US time, EST, so here it's midnight. So I'm just waiting for that. It is, well, my computer is still in Eastern time, so it says that it's 5:48. I'm waiting for it to be 6, which is midnight here, and then I'm just gonna teach my class. It's their final class, so all the girls are gonna present their projects, and I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody for one last time. So let's do it. I'm happy to take one or some of the sections. Like, I can do the overview of what we learned or something.
Can't relate. I'm just trying to get some girls to like me. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year.
It was a lovely day, a long day. I just finished up my coding class, and now it is 1:45 a.m. and I need to go to bed. So I'm going to do that. But thank you for watching this day in my life. Hopefully it was a fun change of pace since I'm in Italy, and I will see you in my next one.
Yeah. Either.